Welcome to today's video, an exploration into the weapons of your Android arsenal. Have you ever imagined having the right apps in your arsenal can make or break your productivity or even save you money? Most people don't realize that there are apps designed to enhance your ability to find and use really great Android apps. We will explore two tools today and have a glimpse at what they have to offer. First up is App Sales. It is designed to save you money and find worthwhile new apps. With App Sales, you have the ability to browse through current app sales, filter by categories, keywords, or ratings, and even create your own custom watch list. What's great is that you can even narrow the field down to premium apps that are temporarily available for free. This app keeps watch over the Google Play Store, saving you the hassle of scouring for deals. App Sales is free to use, but there is an optional premium upgrade that removes unnecessary ads and also shows extended histories for how different apps' prices have fluctuated over time. Next we look at Beta Maniac. It helps you take advantage of cutting-edge app features before anyone else. Most of us don't know about Android app beta paths that are available, which can let you experience shiny new features ahead of their release. Of course, you have to be careful using beta versions since they may be quirky. Beta Maniac is designed to make this process easier since it lists apps that have beta paths and also notifies you when spots are available. Beta Maniac is free to use, but you can upgrade to its premium version where they can disable the ads and automatically join beta programs. So there you have it, two tools to help you find and manage the best Android apps that can help you save money while freeing up time. With these tools in your Android toolbox, you will be able to maximize your productivity with minimal effort.